Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to share a secret recipe that will make your garden flourish like never before. We'll show you how to create a powerful mixture that boosts soil health and helps your plants grow stronger and healthier. This special blend will improve your soil's water holding capacity and nutrient retention, making your garden more resilient and fertile. Stick around to see how you can easily make this amazing mixture at home and give your plants the best start possible. Let's get started. We are going to make Jadam Liquid Fertilizer. Jadam Liquid Fertilizer is a type of organic fertilizer made by fermenting natural materials. It's a central component of Jadam, a South Korean natural farming method that emphasizes building healthy soil ecosystems. Jadam stands for Joyful Agriculture Through Microorganisms. This is our second recipe for this fertilizer. Check out our channel for more powerful fertilizers. To make this magical liquid fertilizer in a 5-gallon bucket, you'll need 3 main ingredients: 10 liters of non-chlorinated water. Ideally, you can use rainwater or get some from a river. However, if you only have access to tap water, allow it to rest for 24 hours to allow the chlorine to escape. 2.2 pounds, 1 kilogram, of fresh plant materials such as weeds or herbs, and 4.4 pounds, 2 kilogram, of fresh animal manure, which can be sourced from cows, horses, or poultry. It's important to gather these materials in sufficient quantities before starting the process. The process of making liquid fertilizer involves simple steps that prioritize natural decomposition and fermentation. Begin by placing these materials into the 5-gallon bucket and fill it with water, leaving some space at the top. Stir the mixture thoroughly to ensure even distribution. Cover the bucket loosely to allow air circulation and place it in a warm, sunny spot for fermentation. Stir the mixture daily to aid the fermentation process, which typically takes about 1 to 2 weeks. Fresh manure isn't suitable for immediate use. It can contain weed seeds, pests, and high levels of ammonia, which can be harmful to plants. That's why we need to let it undergo a process called composting or aging for 7 days minimum. This involves allowing the manure to decompose over time, during which harmful substances break down and beneficial nutrients become more readily available. We let our mixture sit for 14 days. Now, strain the liquid to remove solid particles, resulting in nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer. After straining, dilute the liquid fertilizer with water at a ratio of 1 part fertilizer to 10 parts water before using it on your plants. This diluted fertilizer can be applied directly to the soil around your plants or used as a foliar spray. Remember to test the diluted fertilizer on a small area of your plants before widespread application to ensure compatibility. Any leftover liquid fertilizer should be stored in sealed containers in a cool, dark place to preserve its efficacy. Proper storage ensures that the fertilizer remains viable for several months, allowing you to utilize it as needed throughout the growing season. The easiest way to support our work is to like the video. You click the following button, then on the bell. And finally, confirm the bell. This means a lot to us. Thank you for your support.